people, hello! Unboxing time is here, and we have an electric portable SUP air pump. And we have a SUP pump today from Anoutway. So we have a portable electric jungle colored SUP pump. Let's go ahead and open this up. By the way, this came in on Amazon. Shipping was fast, efficient, no problems to the box or anything. Specifications before you there. Make sure to pause to read at your convenience. Okie dokie, everything out of the box. So we have a little info card here. We have our instruction manual. And so we have our accessories with our hose, plugs, all that in that bag. We'll open that up. And the pump itself, looking very nice in that jungle green color. And our bag of goodies there, yes indeed. Charger. Looks like some flanges, if you will. Some stoppers, some gaskets. Car charger. This is nice. It's always nice and handy to have that DC car charger for on the go. Obviously our tubing. And then, look at that. We have a variety of different nozzles that are kind of nested in here together. Look at that. Just kind of pulled them apart. Let's take a walk around the SUP pump here. Really do like that color. So it looks like we have our controls, our power on, our increasing the PSI, decreasing the PSI. Nice handle. Of course, we have this rubberized gasket here for protection, for plugging in. There's our hose hookup. It looks like it has some included molded feet there. Let's pump up a SUP.
And just like that, we're outside. Jen here. So we're gonna go ahead and put this air pump to work. So we brought it outside. We're gonna go ahead and attach our hose. Right here is where the air is going to come out. So we're gonna attach our hose there. We already have our attachment on the end that works for our SUP. However, they did provide, again, a number of attachments to accommodate different items. So now we're just going to attach it to the SUP. Just go ahead and hold that power button. You can see that display coming up. I know it probably looks a little funny on the camera. However, it does say 0 PSI. You can increase this all the way up to 20. We are gonna go to 17 today. To start our pump, we're just gonna go ahead and push that button again. And just like that, that pump stops inflating once you've reached your desired PSI. And it looks like it took just about 9 minutes to inflate to 17 PSI. And our paddleboard looks fully inflated.
Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Till we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.